Today, I am going to show you guys how to use Canva's background remover on videos. This works on videos a minute and a half or less. Check this out. This video is about how to use Canva's built-in video editor. This is really cool and has a lot of features which make it a lot easier to edit your own videos. You can remove backgrounds from videos, add transitions, cut, trim, and do a lot more. We're going to start off with a preview of Canva's video background remover. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go over here on canva.com. You're going to create a design and you're going to go to Instagram story video. So you can find it, but I have it already pulled up. Instagram story video. This is the default resolution for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, so I'm just going to stick with this one. Halfway through the video, I actually removed the background on me. Here, I'm going to show you guys now. As you can see over here, you go to Edit Video, Background Remover. If you unclick it, the background comes back, but with the background remover, all of a sudden it is gone. So I'm just going to play this video back for you guys from here, just to show you guys what it does. Today, I am going to show you guys how to use Canva's background remover on videos. This works on videos a minute and a half or less. Check this out. As you can see, my background was completely removed. And with the background behind me, you can add a video or a photo, whatever you want. You can look like you're basically walking into space. This will add depth to your videos and will look like you're walking anywhere. There's a lot of custom creations you can do with this. You can drag the length of a video to make it longer or shorter, depending what you want. When you're on the page, it'll give you the option to change the transition or add one, or add a new page in between. A page just adds a page. We don't want this. Control Z, go back. And I'm making a transition. They have different transitions which will remove the background of one page and go to another one. There's dissolve, slide, chop, and a few other ones. We're going to do it with circle wipe. You can change the duration of this effect if you want to take longer or shorter, and you go in versus out. Today, I am going to show you guys how to use Canva's background remover on videos. This works on videos a minute and a half or less. Check this out. This is often used between cuts. So let's say you're standing here, and then you cut out part of the video to where you're standing here. The transition will make this a lot more smooth. Canva has royalty-free music built into their system, as well as some that they license themselves, which you can add to any video or clip or anything you want. So let's say I want to add this music to my clip. I would drag the bar to where it starts and add in the music. You can extend it or put it back, and you can actually change which part of the song you want. So let's say you only want the middle of the song, not the beginning. You could skip to the middle, like so. Let's say you only want part of the video to have audio. You can shrink it back by pulling it with your mouse. Just click and shrink to however you want it. There are audio effects to make it fade in and out. You can have it fade in however much time you want, shown here. And you can have it fade out wherever you want, shown here. So I'm going to have it slowly fade in and slowly fade out. And I'm going to extend it for the full clip. And now I'm going to play the video with everything. Today, I am going to show you guys Canva's background remover on video. This works. Now I'm going to lower the audio since I think it took over the video too much. So you can right click this, go to volume. Now I've lowered it to 1 instead of the 100% that it was on earlier. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add animations to your videos. This really livens things up and makes things a lot cooler. I'm going to take the Canva logo and the video background remover and have them come in as an effect. So now they will come in over here. I'm going to animate, and there's a lot of different effects I can do, especially when you're on Pro. So I'm going to have tumble. This will have them come in and out. You can change the intensity to based on the speed you want them to come in. You can have them reverse exit, which means they'll come exactly where they came from. And now when you play the video, it will start off like this. Today, I am going to show you guys how to use Canva's background remover. So you can have it only come in on enter, only leave on exit but start off there, or have both. It comes in and then comes out by the end of the video. If you want it to stay on to the next clip, then you'll only do on enter, like so. On enter, and then over here, you can have it for on exit. So you can have it go out however you want on exit, but I'm going to do the same tumble on exit. So now it'll come in the beginning. Okay, I am going to show you guys. It's going to stay till the end over here, and then it will go out at the end. You could add any video to the video background remover in Canva by going to your uploads, uploading your video from your computer, either by dragging it or by clicking upload and then finding the file on your computer, and it will remove the background for you. So I already have this uploaded over here. As you can see, I have it in my upload folder over here, and this video is only 17.5 seconds. I go to edit video, click background remover, and it removes. This will take more time if this video has never loaded. This one has, and as you can see, it's completely transparent and you can see through it. This is the one I'm using in this video. To delete something in Canva, you can just pull it off the edge of the screen fully and it will delete. So as you can see, there's a lot you can do in Canva. For the video editing, this is a crucial tool when I edit my videos, and I'm glad to share it with you guys. Canva itself is free. Some of these features are only in the Pro. You can get a free month trial using the link in the description below. This helps the channel a lot and I appreciate it. If you want to see full tutorials in writing, check out tutorialable.com, link in the description below.